5 lessons learned being a seller. Hi, I'm Caroline Gow in the Baird & Warner Glenbrook office. I say realtors should move every 5 years so that we can be empathetic with what our sellers are going through. So I took my own advice and I'm selling my own house. And here are 5 things that I've learned. Number 1, and most important, have a thick skin. When you get criticism from buyers and their agents, try to not take it personally. If you love your home, someone's gonna love it too. Get ahead of the objections. So an example of this would be if you need to refinish the hardwood floors, but your family and pets are still occupied in the home and it's not convenient to do so, but you know that a buyer is going to object to that. One thing you can do is just say, hey, this is what we had contracted, we're going to do this after we move out, or we'll give you a credit, but at least you're just acknowledging the defect and letting them know that you're aware of it and it won't come up at an inspection or in lowball offers. Number 3, prepping your home. Even if your house is clean, before showings there are some last minute things that you need to do. So it's helpful to build a routine around what you're going to do in what order. So first you vacuum, then you mop the floors, then the fun stuff about putting out flowers and turning on the lights, playing soft music, maybe lighting a candle. The details matter. Number 4. The market time in Northbrook is an average of 68 days. So don't panic if your house doesn't sell the first weekend. It will. Number 5. It takes days longer than you think to actually declutter, purge, take stuff to Goodwill, and get things out. And then once you do that, then the next day go around and thin out some more, because less is more.